Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie, and welcome. And this handsome guy right here is Gabe. He is Mama's helper. Today we are going to be sharing with you how to make these delicious garlic butter chicken bites. They're so good, so good. I eat this over rice. Sometimes I'll eat it with potatoes, pasta, whatever. Sometimes I'll just eat it over a salad, whatever floats my boat that day. I'm excited to share it with you. It's really easy to make, and I love to do this. Prep the chicken the night before, and then when I'm ready to cook it, just roll it in the seasoning, and really I'm good to go. So I hope you guys enjoy. Can you say bye? Say bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye. Good job. All right, guys, enjoy.